Hi, I'm Denis De Souza, celebrity colorist for Joico. And just like you, many of my clients want to go brighter and blonder, especially for summer. I'm going to show you how to achieve a dreamy, sun-kissed golden glow all year long using my ray of light technique, a perfect combination of all-over baby lights, foilyaged ends, and LumiShine color. Don't be fooled. When combined, these two classic highlighting techniques will produce a subtle yet stunning result that is modern. To get this look, I'm gonna use 3 formulas. Formula 1 is LumiShine XLN with 30 volume LumiShine developer. Formula 2 is Blown Life Lightning Powder with 20 volume LumiShine developer. Formula 3 is LumiShine Clear plus 1 drop of LumiShine 9NV with 5 volume LumiShine developer. To start, let's take an extended horseshoe section across the occipital bone just above the ears. Next, section hair down the center back from the horseshoe through the nape. Begin to weave your sections with Formula 1, leaving behind a fine veil of natural hair at the hairline. This will ensure any highlights around the face look soft and natural. Apply Formula 1, 1 inch from the scalp through the ends. Leave a fine veil of natural hair, then take another weave parting with Formula 1. Continue working in the same manner until you reach the horseshoe section. Move to the opposite side and repeat the process. When you reach the horseshoe, switch from 2 sections moving vertically up the head to a bricklay pattern. Continue taking fine weave partings with Formula 1 until you reach the crown. LumiShine color is fantastic for blonding, or anytime you're worried your client's hair might be compromised. LumiShine instantly restrengthens hair and reduces breakage, delivering healthy-looking, long-lasting color results with up to 2 times more shine. The secret? Our breakthrough Argiplex technology, which completely replenishes arginine, the essential amino acid most hair color processes strip away. Now it's time to foilyage the ends. Work section by section, taking the ends that were left out of the foils, lightly backcomb the hair, then apply Formula 2. Fully saturate the ends with lightener, then feather it up towards the mid-length. This will result in a smooth, gradual shift in brightness. Move to the top section of the horseshoe. Continue the bricklay pattern, taking finer weave sections with Formula 1 from scalp to ends. After you complete weaving in the horseshoe section, again, foilyage the ends using the same technique as before. Imagine where you would like to see the light in your design. Next, move to the front side. Leave out a fine veil of natural hair at the hairline, then take a weave parting and apply Formula 1. Continue working up toward the center part, following the same weaving pattern. Foilyage the ends with Formula 2 again. Blown Life Lightning Powder is life. It's my go-to lightener for everything. Its powerful, ultra-high lift formula allows you to achieve up to 9+ levels of lift in record time, while helping you steer clear of damaging multiple applications, reduce breakage, and bypass the hassle of additives. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Take a weave parting from the center hairline and apply Formula 1. Continue weaving toward the top of the head with Formula 1. Foilyage the ends as before, using Formula 2. Process for 30 to 35 minutes without heat. Rinse hair thoroughly, then shampoo and condition with Joico Blonde Life. Now let's gloss. At the bowl, apply Formula 3 all over, process for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse hair and condition with Blonde Life Brightening Conditioner. And for Megawatt Gloss, instant glide through, and all-day color protection. Don't let clients leave your chair without first spraying on K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock Multi-Perfector, your multi-perfecting wonder spray for healthy hair every day. And there you have it, a dreamy sun-kissed golden blonde color that is perfect for summer. I love it, and so will your clients. I hope you enjoy my technique. For more tips and tutorials, download the Joy Color System app and subscribe to Joico's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.